This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what did he say Scottish explained. Listen closely as I break down common Scottish phrases, sounds, and quick tips to decode fast speech. I will demonstrate examples from everyday conversations, highlight vowel shifts, and show how consonant combinations change meaning. Follow along, repeat aloud, and use simple tricks to catch words you missed before, making Scottish speech feel far more predictable and friendly. I will walk you through common Scottish phrases and how they function in real speech, with clear examples and pronunciation tips to help you hear each part. We will compare literal words to intended meanings and practice short listening drills you can do anywhere. By focusing on rhythm, stress, and key marker words, you will start to predict upcoming words and understand more without needing perfect pronunciation yourself. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading dialect examples on the go, with a sharp screen and long battery life that lets you study anywhere. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tips like these. I'll list the Kindle Paperwhite and other deals in the description below for easy access, and now let's get back to the video. Try practical techniques that make Scottish speech clearer, starting with slowing audio and circling key sounds you miss most often. Practice shadowing short phrases, mimic rhythm, and mark recurring words in a notebook to build recognition. I will suggest simple exercises for daily 5-minute sessions that gradually increase your speed tolerance, so you can enjoy conversations and media without losing the gist to fast or dense regional speech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.